Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the Transportation tab and how transportation companies, vehicle types, and transportation costs are calculated and how they are related to the Program tab. In this video, we will explain the Hotel Options, Hotels, and Children tabs in the quotation. To access the Hotel Options section, simply click on the Hotel Options tab from the quotation. The Hotel Options tab is used to define the hotel option labels that will be offered to the client in the quotation. Here, you simply define the different hotel categories or options you want to present. For example, if the client requested 5-star, 4-star, and 3-star hotel options, you can create these options here. To do this, enter the hotel option name, such as 5-star hotels, 4-star hotels, and 3-star hotels in the options fields, then click Save. After saving the options, click Refresh. Now move to the Hotels tab. At the top of this page, you will now see the hotel options you created, and you can toggle between them to configure the hotels for each option. Let us start with the 5-star option. Assume that the client requested half-board stay with superior rooms in Amman and standard rooms in Petra for all 3 hotel options. To add a hotel night, click on the green plus button. Hotels can be added in 2 ways. The first way is to enter the hotel directly in the record. The second way is by using the advanced search panel on the left side, which is useful when comparing hotels. If we use the advanced search, we will notice that the system automatically filters hotels based on the quotation travel date, which in our example starts on May 1st. Now set the classification filter to 5 stars and the city to Amman. The system will display all 5-star hotels available in Amman. Select Amman Hotel 5 stars and it will be inserted into the record. Now change the meal plan to half-board and select the room type as superior, then click Save. For the second night, we can repeat the same process. However, if we check the Program tab, we will see that the second overnight stay is in Petra. So we return to the Hotel tab and select Petra Hotel 5 stars, assign the half-board meal plan as requested by the client, and leave the room type blank, since we need a standard room type. Then click Save. For the third night, the program shows that the group returns to Amman. Since the settings are the same as the first night, instead of entering the data again, simply click the duplicate icon, and the record will be copied with the same configuration to the third night. Before moving to the next hotel option, let us explain how the pricing is calculated. The first part of the pricing section shows the meal costs, which include breakfast, lunch, and dinner, along with their totals. If we choose bed and breakfast, the system will only add the breakfast rate. If we choose half-board, the system will add breakfast and dinner. If we choose full board, the system will include breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the meal total. Next, we have the accommodation cost. This represents the base room rate per person in double occupancy, along with any room upgrade supplements if applicable. If you want to see the source of these prices, simply click on the contract reference number. The hotel contract window will open, where you can see the rates used in the calculation. For example, if the high season rate is $100 and the superior room supplement is $75, the system will divide the supplement by 2 for double occupancy, resulting in $37.50 per person. Sometimes you may also see supplements applied. For example, in the Petra Hotel, if we open the Supplement tab in the contract, we may find a $10 supplement for the National Day. The system automatically adds this supplement if the travel date falls within that period. Below the totals, you will also find additional pricing elements such as single room supplement, single supplement for higher room types, and third-person supplement. You will also notice the Group Packs field, which indicates whether the pricing corresponds to fit rates or group rates. To compare the prices, You can switch between fit and group pricing from the top of the Hotels tab. For example, you may notice that group rates are lower than fit rates by around $13 per person for this hotel option. Now let us move to the second hotel option. From the drop-down menu at the top, select the 4-star option. You will notice that the hotel records are currently empty. Instead of entering everything again, click the Import icon. Select the hotel option you want to copy the data from, which in our case is the 5-star option, which is the first option, and click OK. The system will automatically duplicate all hotel records and settings. You only need to change the hotel names to the appropriate 4-star hotels. You can repeat the same process for the 3-star hotel option as well. Next, move to the Children tab. In this tab, the system displays the child policies defined in the hotel contracts, including child meal rates, extra bed rates, and child supplements. You can also toggle between hotel options to see the different child policies applied to each option. If needed, you can manually adjust these values. Click the Edit button, modify the value, for example the extra bed rate, then click Save. If you want to restore the original contract values, simply click the Recalculate icon, and the system will reload the contract rates. This completes the explanation of the Hotel Options, Hotels, and Children tabs. In the next video, we will move to the Restaurants tab. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.